If you are running an e-commerce store, you know that driving sales is not just about having the great product. You also need to manage customers, follow up on abandoned carts, run the promotions, and make sure your marketing is working efficiently. That's where GoHighLevel comes in. This platform is not just a agency or coaches. It can actually help you to e-commerce business to increase the sales and save a ton of time. So welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and boost your productivity. If that sounds good to you, hit the subscribe button and make sure to check the link from the description for the link to try GoHighLevel for yourself. And from the link you can get the 30 days free trial link of GoHighLevel, the live bootcamp access, and some exclusive bonuses to get started the GoHighLevel. So check the link from the description and let's get back to the video. So first of all, if I talk about how does GoHighLevel help you to boost e-commerce sales. First, it centralizes everything in one place. Instead of juggling separate tools for email marketing, SMS campaign, client management, funnel, GoHighLevel combines it all. This means you can track every customer interaction and see where leads are in your sales process and act fast when someone shows the interest in your product. One of the biggest advantages is the automation in your marketing and the follow-ups. Imagine a customer visits your store, adds a product to their cart, but doesn't complete the purchase. With GoHighLevel, you can set up the automated sequence that send the reminders via the email or the text. You can even offer a discount or highlight similar product. This automated campaign work around the clock and turning the potential lost sale into actual revenue. And another way GoHighLevel help you is the funnels and the landing pages. You can create highly converting sales funnel like tailored to your products without needing a developer. Whether you are running a product launch or promoting a seasonal sale, GoHighLevel allow you to build the funnel, capture the lead, and guide the customers from discovery to purchase smoothly. It even tracks conversions and the metrics so you know what's working and what needs the improvement. One of the top feature in GoHighLevel is the customer retention. You can segment your customer based on the purchase history, send personalized follow-up, and run the loyalty campaign. This is not just about getting an one-time sale, it's about building relationships, increasing the repeat sales, and boosting the lifetime customer value. And the beauty of GoHighLevel is that all of these features integrate seamlessly. Your email sequence, SMS campaign, landing pages, and customer data all work together. You don't need to worry about exporting data, syncing apps, or missing out on opportunities. Everything is in one dashboard that makes it easier to manage and optimize your store. Now, the verdict is if you are serious about growing your e-commerce business, GoHighLevel is a powerful tool to increase the sales, saving time, and automate process that would normally take hours of manual work. It helps you not only capture more lead but also nurture them effectively, like turning browsers into buyers and first-time customers into a loyal fans. So if you want to see GoHighLevel in action and try it yourself for your e-commerce sale, then you can check the link from the description to get the special offer, the exclusive bonuses, and the live bootcamp access to get started with GoHighLevel. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.